Today we're looking at the ALLDOCUBE X1 tablet. Oh yeah, that looks pretty clean. It looks like it already has a screen protector on it. Feels like it's brushed aluminum. Very nice. Quick guide. Looks like it's got English. Chinese and English? Yes, awesome. USB power adapter and a USB to USB-C cable. All right, so this thing has the Helio X20 CPU. It's a 16 by 256 resolution, 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of built-in memory. Plus you can expand it up to 128 gigs with an external card. It's got an 8 megapixel front-facing camera and a 13 megapixel rear camera, fingerprint recognition, you got your USB-C port, you got your speaker, then you got your SIM. It's actually a dual SIM. You got your audio jack on the top, on the side, your up and down volume, your power. Now, this does have a built-in microphone. You can actually use this as a phone. This is unlocked worldwide, but before actually purchasing this, you need to check your area. They do have the network frequency codes, so go to the link where this is. I'll provide that down below, but you can go there and actually see if it'll be compatible with your area network. So you're gonna have to check with them first. But as far as just a tablet, this looks pretty nice so far. Very nice brushed aluminum, matte black. Oh yeah, and it is. It's a full-blown screen protector. Check that out. Very nice. All right, let's power this bad boy on. Now, it is an 8.4-inch Magic Color 2.5K display. Well, typing on it so far is definitely good. Okay, so I finished setting it up, going through all the settings and everything. The screen is very responsive, which is nice. Nice vibrant colors. All right, and Fingerprint Reader is really quick. Or if it's shut down, opens up immediately. Very quick Fingerprint Reader. Yeah, I'm definitely liking that. That's really nice. Picture quality looks really good. Wow. Now I had to switch this over to desktop mode because in Android mode there was no way for me to be able to change the quality from like 720 to 1080 or anything like that. So now I've actually got it on 1440 and it actually looks pretty good. Very clean looking. Let's test out the speakers real quick. Yeah, speakers aren't that great. I'm gonna install Super Mario Run, see how it plays. And you know what, while I'm waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and take my SIM card and pop it in. My T-Mobile SIM card. Pop the SIM tray out of this one. Put my T-Mobile SIM in there. Yeah, I know. Look at my phone. You think you got a big phone? Hey, it's working. Hold on, I'm gonna put you on speakerphone. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh my goodness.
Keep in mind, this is my Samsung Note 5, and this is the tablet's, boom, biggest phone ever. Can you hear me okay? Take you off speaker. Hey, can you hear me okay? Wow. Yeah, you sound good. This thing's working. I'm gonna get an OtterBox for this and stick it on my hip. That's really cool. Let's go ahead and test out Mario. That mono speaker is not so great. Obviously, you're gonna wanna probably use some headphones with this. It does have Bluetooth. That's the forward facing, so that's only 8 megapixel. Can't expect that to be all that great. Zero shutter delay, anti-shake, which is always good. Face detection, exposure, white balance. Oh, you got picture-in-picture mode. Hey, so as I'm actually facing something, hold on, and you can move it around. What? There we go. Look at that. So you got a little behind the scenes. That's all you get though. But that's kind of cool. That's a neat little feature. I'm kind of liking that. Then you've got Panorama Mode. You know what? Let's take it outside real quick. All right, so this is supposed to be on super high def, but it looks extremely blurry. And even if I try to focus, it doesn't seem to want to. It's very odd. Okay, well the camera's a little odd. The first picture that I took was of my dog and she was pretty close up and it came out pretty decent looking, but then as I was taking other pictures, I noticed that it was real grainy looking. It definitely does not look like a 13 megapixel. I would actually say it almost looks like I was taking pictures with the front-facing camera. So I can't really say that the picture itself is all that great. So I will say, so speakerphone, not so great, but the screen capabilities are actually they're actually pretty nice. I mean, it works really well. It's not a bad tablet. I can't say that the camera's all that great. It does seem to play games okay. Obviously, I didn't play like the most intense game that there is, but it seemed to play just fine. There wasn't any kind of like a frame drop or lag I experienced. Navigating was really good. The picture quality is actually really good. And I made a phone call. There you go. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below. Definitely go check it out for yourself. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.